Hi guys, welcome to my kitchen. Today we are making Mawa samosas. My cousin sister Banisha is here. She's going to make it and we will both talk you through the recipe. So let's just get started.
Today I'm going to prepare Mawa samosa.
Okay.
So here is our ingredient. We're going to use 500 grams of all-purpose flour, 12 tablespoons of milk powder, a pinch of salt, a teaspoon of cardamom powder, 3 tablespoons of corn flour, 2 tablespoons of ghee,
Clarified butter,
few drops of vanilla essence, 4 tablespoons of sugar, 4 tablespoons of desiccated coconut, 2 tablespoons of dry resin, 2 tablespoons of almond, chopped almond. So now we're going to start our preparation for the Mawa samosa.
Alright guys, so we're going to heat a pan, preferably a non-stick pan, and we're going to put the powdered milk in it and roast it. Banisha will tell us, do we have to do it in medium heat?
We need to do it in our medium heat so that it don't get
burnt, yeah?
Yeah.
And we have to keep stirring it.
Until
Keep stirring.
it turns golden.
So Banisha, how long does it take to roast this milk powder?
It takes about 5 minutes to roast to turn golden. See, you can already see it's turning golden. Just in case you see it's getting roasted too quickly, you can lower the flame a little bit more so it can roast evenly.
So yeah, the powdered milk is now roasted. We're going to add a teaspoon of cardamom powder.
4 tablespoons of sugar.
Keep stirring, guys. Don't forget because the flame is on.
And we're going to add our ghee to it. It's 2 tablespoons of ghee. You can have nice smell coming.
Lovely aroma.
Now we're going to add our vanilla essence. Just a few drops and that's it.
Lovely smell. Very nice.
And now we're going to add our dry grapes. You can add any dry fruits you want. And we're going to add our chopped almond.
What's next, Banisha?
We're going to put our desiccated coconut.
Yeah, the desiccated coconut. In it goes.
We let it cook for about 4 minutes on low flame again. Not medium, it's low, otherwise the milk powder will get too roasted. It will be too reddish. Can you smell it? Can you have the nice smell coming out from the coconut?
Yes, lovely. Desiccated coconut tends to get burned very quickly, so you have to have the flame on low. Do you remember that?
So now we're going to make it like a dough. We take water, we're going to add it gradually till it forms a dough.
So we are adding the water just to make it like a dough. It is all different depending on how many stuff is there in the mixture. It can take anything between 70 to 100 ml of water easily. You have to add the water gradually and keep mixing at the same time.
Our dough is almost ready.
I think we've used about 100 ml, haven't we?
100 ml of water,
Yeah, just about. It might be different for you, all depending on the type of powdered milk and the things you have added in it, how much water it absorbed. But it has to be this consistency, like a dough, isn't it?
Yeah.
Something you can hold in your hand and shape.
So now it's done.
You're going to switch off
the flame.
Yeah.
And we let it cool down. In the meantime, we're going to prepare the dough for the Mawa samosa.
So the Mawa is now prepared. We are letting it cool down. We're on to the dough now. So to make the dough, you'll need 500 grams of white all-purpose flour. Banisha, how much ghee is there?
2 tablespoons of ghee, a pinch of salt, and a cup of water. So here we add the salt. And we add our ghee to it.
So just mix the ghee, the salt and the flour all together. Mix the ghee well with the flour.
Mix our ghee and salt evenly to our flour. Now we're going to gradually add water to form the dough.
So it looks like we've used about 250 ml of water to mix this, to make this dough, isn't it?
Yeah. So now see, it's a soft dough.
And you have to knead for how long?
For about 4 to 5 minutes you need to knead.
And do we have to
It gets
leave it? Do we have to leave it to stand for?
We can use it immediately after.
Oh, good. So if the dough gets too sticky, so you can use a bit of dry flour.
Now after kneading our dough for 5 minutes, here is our soft dough. We're going to cut it into 4 pieces. We're going to give it a round shape, each of them. Okay, now we're going to use our corn flour, 4 tablespoons of corn flour with 3 tablespoons of unsalted butter. You just mix it all together.
So what are we going to do with this?
Next we're going to apply it on our dough. Once we roll it, we're just gonna show you how to do it. So now our unsalted butter and our corn flour are well mixed. You can see the color, it's a nice yellowish color. Now we're going to roll our dough.
Then we'll take one of the portion and roll it flat. Just like we do for paratha, right?
Exactly.
Paratha and chapati.
Our hand, we're going to apply the unsalted butter and the corn flour.
So you apply that paste everywhere, all over the flattened dough.
So now it's done, we're going to roll it.
Okie dokie. So you just roll it, yeah?
Yeah.
Just roll it in on itself. Oh wow.
So here it's done, now we're going to cut it into pieces.
How many centimeters are you doing that? Like 10 centimeters?
Yeah, it's like
7 to 10 centimeters long, isn't it? So the mawa, which we prepared earlier, has now cooled down. So we're going to take a little bit at a time in our hands and roll it in small balls, like you can see here on this plate. We've used 4 tablespoons full of sugar, but you might want to have it a bit sweeter, just add more sugar. Our filling is now ready. We take one of the cut pieces and just roll it flat again, and then use a small bowl with sharp edges just to cut into it and
give it a round shape.
Round shapes. There we go. Put the little ball in the round shape and make a half moon shape. Can you show us the half moon? There you go, that's a half moon shape. And then just twist the edges inwards to seal the edges and close it. Just twist it inwards. You've got a nice, lovely shape. This is Banisha's second one she made and it looks lovely. I tried one and this is how it looks. Not so good, but yeah. But practice makes perfect, so I'm just gonna keep trying. So the oil is hot and Banisha is ready with her Mawa samosas. Slowly put it in. So once they're fried on one side, we're just turning them on the other side. So what color are we looking for?
It should be golden color, a nice golden color.
Right. It looks like the samosas, Mawa samosas are now ready. The color is golden brown. And yeah, we're going to take it out of the oil now. Are you happy with them, Banisha?
Yeah, it smells so good and it's such a good golden color.
The Mawa samosa is now ready. Banisha has done a very good job. Are you happy with it?
Yes, and it's so yummy. We have already tasted it.
Yeah, we did. Been a bit naughty. We didn't wait for you guys, so we've already tasted it. It tastes lovely. So do try. We definitely are happy with it, and just let us know what you think about it. Leave your comments in the comment section. Thank you for watching. See you guys in my next video. Bye bye.